You like that, don't you? That just tickles you. Yeah. Laughing's good. That tickle? Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. Oh, yeah. Ooh. That was funny. Oh, yeah. You want to do it again? Here we go. That tickles. Ooh. That's the first time you've laughed in 3.5 weeks. Or 3 weeks since you've had this cast off. Thanks to our wonderful babysitter we had. That's good. I'm glad you laugh. Let's see if he'll do it upside down. Let's get this diaper. You got to push it up in there, and it's a pain in the butt. Yeah, you're a pain in the butt. You're a pain in the butt. Ah. Yeah. Talking up a storm now, aren't we? We got a full stomach.